Savvy Serena. I have a Walmart haul. I got some hamburger buns, some rice-a-roni, because I never made the Mexican lasagna because I forgot this. So I got some rice-a-roni to go with that. I got some stovetop stuffing for a dinner this week for a side. Got peanut butter dipped granola bar type things for my husband for breakfast. I bought some whole wheat saltine crackers for my husband. I got some creamy hazelnut for him. Some mixed vegetables, bird's eye mixed vegetables for, what do you call it? The chicken pot pie I'm making this week. I bought a pound of ground turkey. I got some whole wheat cinnamon raisin bread. I got some bananas, tomatoes, a cucumber, sugar, Dr. Thunder. Got my husband some of the salad dressing and mayonnaise because he's making some macaroni salad. Some sugar. Another, if he did, well, I'm going to do the banana bread just because we've got kids coming for a couple of days this week. Figure the banana bread and the cinnamon stuff they might like for breakfast. Some elbow macaroni. Some more of my husband's bag salad he likes. Shake and bake. I'm going to do chicken shake and bake. Sloppy Joe's cream of chicken, which goes in the... Now I don't forgot what I was making. Chicken pot pie. Some Jell-O. These were 75 cents. I don't know. I figured I'd try them. And then I got this big thing of chicken. I'm thinking I can get 3 meals out of this. With the chicken pot pie. And then the shake and bake chicken. And I might have some chicken left that I can throw in for a casserole or something. A dozen eggs. Some baby powder. Some acid reflux stuff. It's like, what is it called? Pepticid AC, but it's the Walmart brand. And then some dryer sheets. And our total came to 67.82. It's a little bit more than what I normally purchase because we have kids coming for 3 days this week. I think so. Okay, if you liked my grocery haul, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Y'all come back now. You hear?